Hi, today we're going to replace the crankshaft position sensor on a 2000 Mercedes-Benz S500. We will begin by depressing the hood locking latches on both sides of the hood. Depress one latch, apply slight upward pressure on the hood, and move to the other side to release the second locking latch and lift the hood upright until you hear a firm click. At this point, the hood should be out of our way. Next, we will remove the air filter cover by grabbing the cover with both hands and lifting upward and forward. This removal requires no tools. We will now attempt to start the engine. Typically, when the crankshaft position sensor fails, the engine will not start, will turn off unexpectedly, or perform intermittently. The crankshaft position sensor is located on the driver's side toward the rear of the engine, between the engine and the firewall. You should be able to locate the sensor cable and slide your hand down the cable to the connector located on top of the sensor. Look carefully here, you'll see the cable. Now squeeze the connector from top to bottom and gently pull the cable upward to remove the cable from the sensor. This is a view of the sensor looking directly over the sensor. There is a single E8 female Torx bolt just below the connector holding the sensor in place. Here I place the E8 Torx socket on the bolt and then use a 1/4 inch socket and extension to remove the bolt. Here is what the crankshaft position sensor looks like. Notice I have included the manufacturer's part number. It works for 2000 to 2006 S500s. Insert the new sensor and hand tighten the E8 Torx bolt before tightening with the socket. With the new sensor installed, we must now reconnect the cable. Next, remove any tools, make sure it is safe, and attempt to restart the engine. We will now replace the air filter. Notice there are 4 rubber bushings that hold the air filter in place. Carefully insert the air inlets into the hoses while aligning the clips with the rubber bushings and gently snap the air filter back into place. Now if your repair went like mine, it cost you around $70 and took about 20 minutes. That's a huge savings over the dealership price of $325. I hope this video helped you save money. Until next time.